Alright guys, this is the same topic, solving a linear equation, case 2. Why this is case 2? Because over here you can see that this is still an equation, a linear equation, because over here x is again having power 1, but this time the right hand side is not 0. The right hand side is again in the form of a linear equation. So the task is same, we need to solve for the value of x, and in order to solve for the value of x, we'll again use the rule of inverse operation. You can see that at the left hand side it's 5x and at the right hand side it's 3x. On both the sides we are having x present. Similarly, on both the sides we are having constants too. So initially our task would be to solve for the value of x, and we'll apply. Let me rewrite this equation. So now we have 5x minus 9 equals to 3x plus 3. The first step would be to cancel the smaller coefficient of x. Out of these both given coefficients, 3x is smaller. So I'll try to cancel this 3x. By subtracting this 3x on both the sides. You can see that on both the sides I have added negative of 3x to cancel this 3x. So now at the right hand side I'm only left with a constant, which is 3, and at the left hand side you can see that 5x and 3x are like terms, so we'll simplify them. This would give me 2x minus 9 equals to 3. Now we are again having a linear equation, but this time there is only one x present. So now our task is to cancel the constant. So in order to cancel the constant, since the given equation has 9 with the negative sign, I'll apply positive 9 on both the sides to cancel this constant. You can see that this 9 is cancelled out and the equation is reduced to two terms. Now, to find the value of x, we need to make its coefficient 1. To make the coefficient equal to 1, we'll divide 2 on both the sides. This is how 2 is cancelled from the left hand side, and at the right hand side we have got the value, which is 6. So in this case the value of x is equals to 6. Again, if you need to check, if you need to verify if you have found the correct value of x, we'll substitute the given value of x, the obtained value of x, on both the sides in the given question. So substituting back x equals to 6 on both the sides to see if the value is correct or not. So over here we'll use the arithmetic operation. 6 into 5 is 30 minus 9. So subtracting these both would give me 21, and at the right hand side 6 into 3 is 18. Adding 18 into 3 would give me 21. So you can see that since both the sides are same, we can say that the value of x equals to 6 is true for the given equation.